Okay, so here is my problem. I showed you a picture. I've got a fan speed blower switch in my 1966 Ford Galaxie that is just old. So this is it. That's the original switch there. Just so you can take a close look, this is the back of that switch, and what caused that was this terminal here. Let me there we go. That terminal, as you can see, so poor connection caused resistance in the circuit, caused heating, blew out basically that circuit. So this thing is supposed to work. You know, there's this little spring here that has, let's see here, this, which is your actual switch contact connector. That goes like this. Oh, it would go like that. And those two parts make contact. These two pieces make contact with the back of these. Just slide up, slide down, and that would be by this motion here. So anyways, that's what we're dealing with. This is what they sent me as a replacement. And as you can see, it is not the right replacement. The mounting won't be the same. So what I'm going to do is take the guts out of this guy, put them into this physical switch. So I'll have a switch housing with brand new internals. And that should allow things to work properly. So we replace that old spring part with this. Oh, actually, you know what? And the other thing too, very important, dielectric grease. Makes for better contacts, keeps moisture out. So what we'll do here is we are going to put this grease on the travels section. There we go. Also need to put it on the slide here. It's not as big of a deal on the plastics as much, but I want as much of that on there as I can get. And oh, I think it's already got a coating with some dielectric grease, so we'll put just a little more on there. There we go. All right. The old housing. Plastic piece that travels with the connector. Let's see here. There we go. This is the spring that applies pressure to this piece here. Wait, did this one go up or down? I can't remember. So that's got to travel and make contact to the back of these connector, to the back of that. Fortunately, this can only go on one way. I can't screw that up. This can go on one of two ways. I can screw that up. I don't remember which is the top. So let's see, you've got that little nipple at the top and the hole in the middle. Would that correspond to anything on this switch? Damn if I know. So let me just... Oh, you know what? One of these may be the bottom connector for an off position. Let's see here. Okay, so that moves fine. So that's at the bottom, and let's see, it's all the way at the bottom. If I move it up to the top, that's all the way up to the top. Okay, so we'll try it both ways. Put that there for the top. And then let's get this part right on there. So that should line up with, there we go, like that. Oh, that's where it goes. So it's got the little notches. Okay. Little notches on that part. Let's make sure those line up. Little notch on the big part, maybe? Yeah. So that should slide. Oh, hang on. That should slide there. Okay, come on. Let's move them down a little bit. There we go. All right. Huh. Okay. That being said, great. Now I have to squeeze those tabs back in. Okay. Haha, there we go. One. That was easy. Two.
If you don't eat your meat, you can't have any pudding. How can you have any pudding if you don't eat your meat? You don't eat your meat. Yes. Can't you behind the great shed? Can you have any pudding?
Three.
Still, laddie.
And there's my new switch for my 1966 Galaxie, which I could not find anywhere else.